Alright, well, it might cause a lot of frustration and um, anger and war with this video, but I'm here to point out why Windows 8 isn't that bad. Now, as you can see, I do have Windows 8 installed, and I don't really find much wrong with it. I really don't know why people hate it that much, because, your desktop, there it is. You want it that way, you got it that way. You get your apps, okay? I love it. I would never go to Windows 7, ever, as a main PC. The only thing I really do kind of miss is the Aero interface, I guess, maybe a little bit, but, other than that, though, I really don't know why people are so fussy about, Windows 8. As you can see, Aero would be, like, clear and, like, blurry. You can have Aero down here, but it's not the same thing. But, who cares about that, really? But why do people really care so much? I mean, I know people just want to start fights and complain about anything they want in these worlds, but why do you really care? I'm sorry, you have everything you want here. Look at this. I got the Windows Store. If you don't like an app, you can just delete it. I really don't understand. Download the start things for really that particular about the stupid start menu. I mean, I mean, granted, this is my first PC, so I don't really know that much about, I can't really look back at it and think, oh my gosh, I missed that, oh my gosh, I missed that, oh my gosh, I missed that. I've used PCs a lot before this, but it's my first one I actually have in my home, and I would never go back to a Mac after this. Never. Ever, ever, ever. I would never go back to a Mac. And I would never go to Windows 7 either. I like Windows 7 because it looks really nice. But Billy, why do we hate this so much? I'm kind of confused at why we hate this so much because it's awesome. Look at this. I wanted to know about Bryce Canyon National Park, Utah. I just click on it, and it'll come right up to me. If I had a faster internet connection, which I don't, but here we go. But I want travel helps you find destinations. Look at this. This is great. So I mean, I don't really understand why it's so much worse. And the faster startup, oh my gosh, how dare I want a faster startup? I hate fast startups. I need slow startups. Really, what's the point? It's the same thing as a Windows Phone. I love this interface. I love it. It looks so nice, in my opinion. And that's just my opinion. But really, look at this. If you really, really want your start menu, go and install a start menu, okay? Go download your start menu. If you can't find your start menu, go. It's the same thing. If you want to find your computer, just type computer. And it's right there. You click on it. I don't really understand why this is so bad. I can't stand why people hate Windows 8. Especially if Windows 8.1 is getting even a lot better. So you actually feel like you're almost part of your desktop again with the desktop like background thingy over here instead of this. But I can't get Windows 8.1 for some reason. But really, why are we hating Windows 8 so much again? Is it because you can't remember, because you can't learn one more click to get to the desktop? You really can't do that? I'm just saying I've heard people are not buying computers nearly as much as they used to because they have Windows 8 installed. That is the most ridiculous reason to not buy a computer ever. Look at this. Tell me this doesn't look pretty. This looks pretty, okay? You can customize it. You can move anything around you want. You can make it look exactly how you want it. But no, I can't. I don't want all these fancy new features. They're really, really fun to have, like live tiles and stuff. No, I don't like them at all. Nope, I don't like those at all. I don't want to know what the movies are. I don't want to know what's going on in the world here with the news. I really don't want to know the news. I really don't want to know this. You know what I mean? If your start menu is here again, you have like infinite apps on your start menu. You can even install any apps that really worked in Windows 7 that worked in Windows 8. They will always work in Windows 8. I think they'll work in Windows 7. So I don't really understand what the point is here. I think it's way faster than Windows 7. Well, maybe not. But Really, guys, I'm not sure why we're really so frustrated about this. I mean, really, why? Leave your comments below and tell me why you hate Windows 8, and I will try to help you get Windows 8, because Windows 8. Okay, if I had a PC with Windows 7 on it, I might not install Windows 8. But I'm saying I would not physically not buy I would not actively not buy a computer because I have Windows 8 on it. That's the most ridiculous reason to not buy a computer ever. Especially with your desktop. You really want to know. Like your desktop. It's here. You can't find all your programs, go here, right click, and click all apps. And there's all your apps that you want on your desktop. Just do that. Pin the taskbar. And boom, I have Internet Explorer on my taskbar. I don't want Internet Explorer on my taskbar because it's terrible. But, you know what I mean? Just please, people, just stop complaining about it. I think this is the best operating system I've ever seen, ever in my life. I'm just saying. Way better than Mac. Way better than Mac. Because with a Mac, it's like you're slipping on ice whenever you want to move. Cursor is like, whoa, no, I can't get it onto Excel. No, I can't, no. And it just, besides that, it just looks terrible. Don't tell me you love these windows, these previews here, in your folders. I don't know. I'm just saying. But, you know, you got all these options. You can just send things to desktop if you really want them. I don't know. If I want to send someone to a desktop, say I want to do this. Send to desktop. Create shortcut. Look at that. Boom. Done. Without having to go, oh, create alias. New shortcut. I don't know where that is. New shortcut to something. Like, yeah. Just, no. You love Windows 8. Okay, please, people. I mean, I grant people their own opinions. I'm just saying, I don't know why you would actively not buy a computer because it had Windows 8 on it, because that is the silliest thing I've ever seen. And to the business user, it really probably doesn't mean that much, whether or not you have Aero up here, and whether or not you can customize your glowiness and Aeroness, okay? I don't know. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, so see you.